Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Swatches widget. The Variant Swatches widget allows you to display product variants, such as colors, sizes, materials, and more, in a visually engaging way. These swatches make it easier for customers to view and select the exact variation they want. By using this widget, you'll create a more interactive and user-friendly shopping experience that helps customers make quick and confident decisions. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Swatches widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets, then select Swatches. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings. Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets. Swatches. Here, you can customize all the settings. You can add multiple swatches, click to add block and select swatch. Inside each block, you can customize color name. Enter the swatch name that will appear for this color option. Color. Select a solid color, transparent supported, to use as the swatch. Image to color. Upload an image to display as the swatch instead of using a solid color. Perfect for patterned or textured variants. We have some other options as well, and we can see that options on Theme Settings. Choose Swatch Settings. Priority. This setting allows you to decide which type of swatch should be applied first on your product pages. Native Swatches. Uses the swatches already built into Shopify's variant options, such as color values defined in your products. Custom Color Swatches. Uses the custom swatches you created within the Debutify Swatches widget. Style. Choose how the swatch options are displayed. Dropdown. Displays variant options in a drop-down menu, keeping the interface clean and compact. Pills. Displays swatches as rounded buttons, giving customers an instantly visible and more interactive selection experience.
Swatch. Customize the visual shape of your swatches. Circle. Displays swatches in a round shape, ideal for color-based variations. Square. Displays swatches in a square shape, often preferred for material, pattern, or texture-based variants. None. Disables the shape styling and displays plain text instead, useful for minimalistic designs or non-visual variant types. Option names. Add the option types you want the widget to detect automatically. Example, color. Ignore case for swatch names. When disabled, swatch names will be case sensitive. Show variant picker on product card. Enable this if you want customers to select variants directly from product cards on collection pages. And that's it. Your Swatches widget is now fully set up. By customizing it, you'll create a more interactive shopping experience, boost conversions, and make your store visually appealing and easy to browse. If you need any help, feel free to contact our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.